Alright guys, so this is really cool. I was digging through my old eBay stock and realized or remembered that I had parted out an '09 YZ450. If you guys have watched any of my earlier videos, you know I'm working on what I call the CHEAPO project, the $500 WR450. This was the cylinder on it. And that, focus. That is why it wouldn't run. It was destroyed. This '09 YZ450 cylinder is the same thing. So I started looking at it, and that's what I found. That's what was wrong with it. Now, this top mark, I don't think will be much of a problem because the piston really that's the level the piston stops at. So I don't think that would grab the ring, but these two lower marks might be an issue. First of all, I would never install something like this on a customer bike, obviously. But being as it is my own personal $500 project bike, I'm tempted to try to work these out with some sandpaper, see if I can't get them smoothed down enough to see if this will work. Because if I could install this cylinder, that would make the difference. That would make the difference of getting this WR running for about $120 or about $400. So it's worth a shot. If it doesn't work, you know, it's my own bike. I can disassemble it pretty quick and do another cylinder and piston on the next round. But heck, I mean, if I could work that out, there's a chance it could run on that cylinder for hours and hours and hours, which would be cool. So I don't know. I'm gonna work it out, see how smooth I can get it, and that would be huge because then I could just get a piston kit coming in the next few weeks and have this beast running, which would be sweet. I think I can really make this into a cool trail bike for sure. So stay tuned.